Let me share with you a little bit about my color progression, aka shared DNA method. For this, I start by mixing the lightest color I'll use on my cake. After I finish using it, I take the leftovers and use that as the base to create the next color, and so on. Regardless of how many colors are made, by the end the last one will still have inherited some DNA from the first color. Since this process ensures that all the colors are related, they'll have a natural tendency to pair well together. They'll share the same undertones, allowing them to look cohesive. In addition to creating an organic flow of color development, building layers in this way adds history, depth, and character to each color. Since it's being made from a complex recipe of gels, the resulting colors are all the more captivating. This process does require some planning since you have to be conscious of working from lightest to darkest. However, it ends up saving time since each color doesn't have to start from scratch. It prevents having excessive leftover of colored buttercream, and you'll only have to use one bowl.